Hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video, okay? Now I am introducing the secret 3 pages blessing program. You know, I'm always putting things together and I'm always writing. I've done several courses on personal growth and development, and I was actually working on a program for Udemy. It was a program in personal transformation and self-discovery, and I stopped midstream because I got this thought, and the thought was to put a program together so that people could get blessed, okay, in with some great information, and also being able to make some money at the same time. So I put this wonderful program. I believe that it's wonderful. I want to share it with you. It's called the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, okay? And you're able to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you. Nobody touches your money. It comes to you, all right? And the potential is pretty amazing, because you can actually earn $1,000 plus, okay, per month, okay? No guarantees, of course. It's all going to depend on your own efforts in marketing, but we've got information for you with this program. And this is a peer-to-peer funding program made easy, okay? So stay with me, because I've got some things I want to share with you, and you might just like this, and you might be ready for a program like this. Stay with me, okay? Okay, now I just want to share this. I'm excited about this because it is an easy way for people to make money online. You don't have to jump through hoops, and this thing is just simple and it's straightforward, okay? It's called the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, and I guess it's now in pre-launch, okay? And the question is how would you like to receive, and I'm looking at this page here, and I want to tell you about this page in just a moment, okay? But it says, how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments direct to you? Why? It's all about the direct payments, and it's all about you, okay? Absolutely. Now, with this program, you are able to choose the payment processors that you desire to use, all right? Payment processors like Cash App, I like Cash App, I like Zelle, and Venmo, etc. work best with our program. So you would pick the payment processor. You can choose any payment processor you want, something that works good for you, okay, and that will work with the program, all right? Now, you do not need, and I want you to listen to this, pay attention here for me. You do not need a website to do this business. However, you'll be introduced to an easy to use, no cost website solution that you can use if you want to. And I like having a web page, a website, okay? This is just a web page that I'm using, and I want to show you now a website that you can use, and it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free to use. Now you can upgrade if you want to, but you don't need to, okay? And but let me show you what I did, okay? So stay with me for the next couple minutes or so, all right? Okay, now where was I? It says you do not need a website to do this business, okay? However, you'll be introduced to an easy to use, no cost website solution. That's what you're looking at right now. What you're looking at is a website that you can plug into absolutely free of cost. There are upgrades if you want to, but you do not have to. You can use this system, use this page, okay, and you can be off and running. I just copied and pasted the information I had on my other page into this page to show you what could be done. You don't have to pay for a website if you don't want to, okay? If you have a website that you have, you can use that, but you can use this as well, okay? All right, now all you really need is the ability to get a message out to other people. And you can use email, marketing, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, IG, TikTok, and other social media platforms. And along with the information that you'll receive with this program, you'll receive other advertising resources that I use, okay? And you'll have that information so that you can really begin to use and build this easy program, okay? It says here what I am introducing the secret 3 pages blessing program. That would be you should you join the program as well, okay? It is one of the very best ways to start generating quick funds online today. It is a simple, easy, and profitable, potentially very profitable program, okay? You have heard it said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. You know, what you may not know is that giving and receiving is a universal spiritual truth, okay? When you give, you are a blessing and you open yourself up to receiving blessings. Blessed to be a blessing. The person that sent this message to you has a desire to generate extra funds, okay? And so if that's you, that's going to be you, that you're sending this message, the same message you're sending out. The only thing that's going to change is the sponsor information, okay? And that's all you need to do. You copy and paste this message into any document and you'll use it, okay? So the person that sent you this message has a desire to generate extra funds. It could be for any number of reasons. Now, what is your reason for wanting to generate funds, okay? Okay, I am back at the first page you were looking at. Yeah, I did show you this page. Man, I'm getting tired, but yeah, okay. So the question was, where we left off, what is your reason for wanting to generate extra funds? Okay. Do you want help with your rent or mortgage? You need some everyday living expenses. You need help with your car note, a vacation or venture fund, medical bills, insurance, or education fund, to give more to charitable causes, a seed fund for a special project, to get out of credit card debt. You know, what's your reason for wanting or needing more funds? All right. And I do need a question mark there. We'll get that fixed. All right. Okay. The secret 3 pages blessing program is peer-to-peer funding made easy. Okay. How does it work? You'll send $100 one time to your sponsor below. Okay. Your sponsor's contact and payment information are below. That person will send you the secret 3 pages link in return for the $100. Okay. So please allow 12 to 24 hours to receive your information. Please be advised there are no refunds given with this program, no exceptions. This is a $100 gift for the gift of the secret 3 pages, and you're going to want that. You're going to want those secret 3 pages because they are very powerful and they will get you moving in a powerful and dynamic way. Okay. And so You just have to be ready. You just have to be ready to change your life, okay? The earnings potential, $100 per day for a week. If you're able to do that, and you are, okay, you'd make $700 in that week. $100 per day for a month, that would be $3,000. $200 per day for a month, that would be $6,000. $100 for 2 days per week for a month would be $800. So you see the potential, man. The potential is here, okay? What you get, you'll receive the secret 3 pages, which contains vital, life-changing information, helpful instructions, a list of my top advertising resources, our monthly newsletter, plus the right to market, the secret 3 pages, okay? This is a simple, easy, potentially very profitable program. Send $100 to your sponsor and get started today. Start earning $1,000 or more per month, okay? Okay, now in closing, okay, simply copy and paste this message in places that I will share with you in the instructions, making sure you replace my contact and payment information with your own. And as you can see on this page, this is my contact information. All you need to do is change this part here and leave the rest as it is, okay? There's my contact information. If people want to contact me as the creator, they can do that if you leave that information there. Contact Coach Terry at CoachTerryBrown@yahoo.com. If you need any assistance, please allow 12 to 24 hours before you contact me about the secret 3 pages link, okay? Please send payment info to my email address if needed. Thank you very much, okay? But there you have it, folks. Very simple. I don't need to charge you for a website when you can get one for free. All you have to do is copy and paste this document in there, and I'm gonna have several of these that you're gonna be able to do. I only have one right now, but I'm always creating. That's what I do. I spend my time creating and making things and developing courses and lessons, okay? And so this is powerful, and I do recommend highly that if you want to change the direction of your life, that you get those 3 secret pages, okay? And that you work this secret 3-page blessing program. All right, there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. I'm going to leave the link in the description area of this video so that you can grab hold and get started with me today. Okay, there you have it. Okay, be sure to grab the link in the description area of this video and get started today. Bye-bye now.